Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This is Motaz Al-Thaher. I'm a senior researcher at Maqasid Institute and also a lecturer and online course manager at the Center for Muslim Christian Studies in Houston, Texas. Alhamdulillah, we are delighted to invite you to the second part of our program, the Hermeneutical Methodologies in Quranic Interpretation. While the first course focused on the classical approaches, this second one, which will explore the contemporary approaches, over 4 sessions starting from Saturday, April 12th, we will look into the emergence of the new methodologies in Tafsir, including but not limited to the scientific approach, the numerical approach, and others. Also, inshallah, we will explore both thematic and systematic tafsirs, and as well as the historical and biblical approaches, among others. In the final session, we will offer an introduction into the Maqasid Tafsir as an example of a comprehensive approach. This course is designed for students and scholars, in addition to any Quranic reader who is seeking for in-depth reflection of the Quran as a tadabbur, inshallah. Register now and see you, inshallah.